Okay, we want to know where the jack for the Chevy Trail Blazer is. It's not going to be here. This is just where the bars are, your tools and bars to take your spare wheel off from these holes, from this hole. But your jack is hidden behind here. There's a compartment. You just pull this tab. Jack is sitting there, and you can't just take it out. You have to bring it down a little bit, turn this knob a few times, loosen it, and then that's your jack. The handle to turn this knob is where I showed you, this one. So you just go with this up and down. That's where your jack is. Till next video, it's goodbye for me.